Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be teaching you guys box model, showing you how to add a box in your web page. So if you've not liked and subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, box model. Now, to add a box to your web page is not that hard, but most people think that adding a box is a very big deal. No, it's not. It's just something simple to do. Now let me take you straight up to the code so that you see that adding a box is not that hard. So moving ahead, I'm just going to create a paragraph tag. I think that's what we'll use for our box, a paragraph tag. I'm just going to put some write-up, and I'm going to use the lorem write-up. Is a HTML tag that gives you long text, so you can see very long text. You can actually get a text from anywhere, or just follow me and use the lorem text. So let me add one more. This will be okay. Now let me show you what this text looks like in the bigger. So this is how it is. It's from the beginning to the end of your web page, but what we want to do, we just want to make it to be in a box like this, just a small box. So now what are we gonna do? Simple. We're going to give this a class of what? Box. Give it a class of box, since we want it to put all this long text inside a small box. So now we go to our CSS and we target this class of box so that we can be able to style it. Now I told you, whenever you want to style the class, you use dots. Dots represents class, so we are targeting the class, the box class in the HTML, in the index.html. So dot box, then you open curly braces. Now what are we going to do? Let's start beautifying our box. So we're going to give it a background color of yellow. Let's give it a background color of yellow. Oh, okay, we are actually heading somewhere. We are going somewhere. So let's give it a width of 300 px. Yeah, our box is beginning to take shape. As you can see, let me now show you what it looks like in the bigger screen. See that text, the write-up that was up to this point. Now see what we've made it to be, our box. This is a box. So let's continue. Now I'm going to add a border. Okay, let me start with, I'm going to add border of 4px solid blue. px solid blue. Okay, not bad. Now we're gonna give it padding. Of 20px. Alright, there you go. Our box is looking beautiful. So if you don't know how to apply border and padding, you can watch my previous video. In that video I explained everything about border, margin, padding as well. So if you don't know how to do that, you can just watch my previous video. Now this is our box. You see, there's nothing really hard in actually making a box. So let's just add a little more design to the box. Let's increase the border. Let's make it 6px solid. Now let's give it a border style. Let's give it a border style of border radius of, let me see, 10px. Okay, not bad. Let's also give it, let's check, but I'm only trying to make our box beautiful. Border style, okay, there will be no need for this since we already have border. We can do it here. Just change this from solid to double, and you see, is it not beautiful? It is very, very beautiful. Let's just take it back to solid. So you can just play around with this. So our box is actually looking beautiful. Now let's add a write-up inside our box. Let's add a write-up inside our box. So we're just going to use let's go with H2. Let's go with H2 tag inside the box. So I'm just going to it came outside the box. Wow. But okay, it's outside the box. So this is how to actually apply a box in your web page. Adding a box to your web page, like I said from the beginning of the video, it's not actually hard to add a box to the web page. So as you can see, we've done that already. How many minutes? Just it's just the styling. Give it whatever you want, make the box as beautiful as you want. So that is it on how to add a box to your web page. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. If you've not liked and subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also turn on your notification so that whenever I post any video, any of my programming tips video, you will get notified. And also share this video too so that others can benefit from this video, so that others can enjoy and also benefit from this video. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. See you in our next video.